Chance to hit the front just before the break. Garden-Bachop, beautiful fend, and now Trent Rennertz with a clear run to the line. Wow. There have been some to-the-face fends in this game.
I think he might have got rid of his opposite. Is that Orteri Black he got rid of, I think?
Rangihunda. Away to Garden-Bachop, held it beautifully. Umaga Jensen under the bar. That is a schoolboy combo coming up. Rangihunda, they come back to the right. This time Garden-Bachop holds on. He finds support from Middleton. Will he go all the way, the big lock? He does. Will Mangos has got the try. Now Garden-Bachop. Garden-Bachop! And the final pass goes to no one, but the try is scored. Regan Verney comes up with the play. Stay there. Meter out from the 22. Dyer floats the pass wide to Formai. Intercepted. And away goes Jackson Garden-Bachop. He's going to go all the way. And just like that, it's a third. Southland on attack, and Jackson Garden-Bachop gets the...
Now this could open up again. Garden-Bachop sailing away downfield and gets the pass away. And Lousy looks for support, gets it, and Regan Verney scores.
They go wide. Garden-Bachop over the top. Garden-Bachop gets it off the crossbar, and he gets the try. You won't see that too many times.
Well, how many times did you see a chip kick bounce on the middle bar of the crossbar? Oh, Jackson Garden-Bachop.
Hauiti Parapara deep in goal as Garden-Bachop, and struggles to get away from two, does so. Good work from Garden-Bachop. Scrum goes down.
Play. And
play on is the call. Now Jackson Garden-Bachop puts a kick through for Wes Ferguson. What a play from the first five. James Lowe comes across, makes the tackle inside ball. Ben Lamb is in. What a ripper.
Last feet.
Hauiti Parapara. Garden-Bachop. Wipers kick across. Field. Worked beautifully. And Paongo scores.
Finally, Rangihunda able to pull the ball out. Here goes Almour. Asafo Almour's away up to the 22. Through another. Offloads beautifully for Garden-Bachop. Try. Second time today, Asafo Almour has set up a try. He is a...
And they look to go to the right, and that's where they'll find Garden-Bachop. They've got numbers here. Lamb coming looking for some work. Too short. Bay of Plenty want the ball. Wellington want a 5-pointer. Garden-Bachop, ball over the top. And as easy as you like, Malo Tuatama scores the first try of the evening. They get up on some quickly, and now out to the left where the backs want it. Bachop with a kick over. Easily taken, lands in. The kick pass has worked. And Jackson Garden-Bachop couldn't have executed that any better.
Beautifully timed run from him. They made it look easy in the end. It's not an easy kick to pull off. And it's all about timing.
Gets it away. Cameron intercept. And away goes Garden-Bachop. I don't know whether he's quite got the pace. He's going to need help. And he gets help. And it's the big Julian Sevilla, the captain.
And Garden-Bachop can't quite add the extras. Yes, he can. He's kicked a flip and a finish.